See, on this channel, there is nothing like gatekeeping. You see that glowing skin you used to see on Instagram, that it seems like all these influencers all have one beauty secret they are not spilling. I'm going to spill it in today's video. And on my channel, that's what I do. I give you beauty secret that you should follow, like beauty routine that you should follow that will make you glow. So your skin is looking dry, like it's looking like they suck the life of that skin, and you want it bouncy, supple. You want it to be looking healthy, to be looking alive, like that baby skin. Like when you do like this, it should bounce back. That's what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. So if you're interested in today's video, keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and your first time of coming across and I'm seeing this channel, you are welcome. It is a sign. As long as you are seeing this video and you're watching it, it is a sign that you are going to be a partaker of the good news I'm going to be sharing in today's video, which is beauty secrets that will make your skin healthy, glowy. See, I won't talk about what I've not used. I am using it, I've used it, I've talked about it in my video before, and today I'm going to be talking about it again. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about sheet mask. You're surprised? Yes, these little things make a big difference in skincare routine. Like there was a time I used to have a dry skin, like dry skin. Then I got sheet mask, not because anybody told me to, but because I noticed that on Instagram, whenever I open Instagram, I follow some influencers. They're always having one kind of white like thing on their face. And I'm always curious, like, what is this thing on their face? And I did research about it and I realized it is sheet mask. And I'm a C drama lover. I watch C drama, I watch K drama, and I noticed that in C drama they are always using sheet mask on their face, and they're always saying things like, "My skin is dry. I'm going to use a moisturizer. I'm going to use a sheet mask this night before sleeping." And maybe in that drama, when they wake up the next morning, they are going to get compliments about their skin, and they are going to say things like, "I used sheet mask yesterday night." Yes, that was how good sheet mask is. See, if you have dry skin, that's your skin is looking flaky, looking crusty. It's looking as if when you scratch it, it should start coming down like powdery form. Use sheet mask. Buy sheet mask. I am a very big lover of sheet mask. I have a lot of sheet mask here. See, it's quite much. This is not even much as how I used to buy it. I have one video. That was the very first time I used Daravice Woman, and I bought a lot of sheet mask there too. So you can watch it. I'll put the link in the description box so you can watch it. So this is not even enough sheet mask like the one I used to buy, because I know the goodness of sheet mask. I know what sheet mask can do for my skin. So today I'm going to be telling you how to sheet mask correctly. So now let's start. If you're acne prone skin, the reason why acne prone skin used to come number one on my list is because I'm acne prone skin, and it's like I really know more about acne prone, okay? Because I am, and whatever I'm doing that is working for me, I'm going to share with you, because why not? Let us glow together. So if you're acne prone skin, you're going to buy sheet mask that tackle acne. Now this sheet mask is BioAqua Beauty Anti-Oxidation Soothing Inhibition Acne Skin. Forget all those names. What they mean is that this one is specifically for acne. You can see the name. So if you have acne prone skin and you are trying to calm it down, trying to calm the inflammation, the redness, the swelling, you want it to reduce, gravitate towards sheet mask that tackle acne, like the one like this one. You can also gravitate towards something like green tea. Green tea is also good for acne, and it is also moisturizing. So this BioAqua green tea moisturizing mask will be good for acne prone skin. Okay, so if you're acne prone skin, you have to look for the one that tackle acne. There is also one I use, the Venti salicylic acid sheet mask. I'll put it on the screen. So you will look for sheet mask that tackle acne. So maybe once every week, like on Friday, I'm filming this video on a Friday night. So like on Friday nights like this, you just use one of those sheet masks that tackles acne on your face to calm the redness. So if you have dry skin, you can look for the one that is moisturizing. Like this one is moisturizing mask. This is the blueberry mask. So if you have dry skin, look for the one that will calm your skin dryness. If you have sensitive skin, look for the one for tender skin that will give you smooth skin, and that's like the strawberry sheet mask. This one is for tender and smooth skin. If you have wrinkle skin, you have aging skin, you are looking older than your age, look for the one that contains snail mucin. This one is the Aqua Snail Luxury Moisturizing Mask Patch. Okay, so you can use this one if you have wrinkles. So these are ways, correct way to sheet mask. So if you are looking for something like vitamin C to brighten your skin, to calm your skin, to hydrate your skin, you can use this Aqua Vitamin C sheet mask. So if you are thinking sheet mask is chaotic and you don't know how to use it, these are way to use it. And if you're looking for something for skin barrier, you have a damaged skin barrier, something to build your skin barrier, you can use this one. This one is the Hexapeptide mask. It contains honey peach and it is also from BioAqua. So this sheet mask I got, they do different work, but they are all sheet masks. So on days I am like I feel sunburnt, like I've been under the sun, I will use something calming. On days that I have acne breakouts, I will use something that have acne treatments and salicylic inside. On day I just want a smooth skin, I will use the one for smooth. So that is the way to sheet mask. You see that Diana skin that you like on TikTok, because I'm always seeing people in comment section that they're always telling her to spill. She will not, because it is a skincare secret. So these are little details that goes a long way that you should use in your skincare routine. Okay, so and it is not expensive. Don't buy online. No, I'm always telling you, if you're on budget, don't buy online. Look for a physical shop or store. Go to a supermarket. Supermarkets nowadays now have the sheet mask. Go inside, purchase. It is more affordable than you can imagine. It is more affordable than you can imagine. Okay, so don't let them keep ripping you on Instagram and keep buying per sheet mask 2,000 naira. Okay, if you don't have the money, beauty is not expensive. You just need to know the tactics and follow Uno road, like they used to say. Our Nigeria mantra, follow Uno road, so you will not lost. So don't buy online. Go to a physical store and buy. These little things have made a big. Last year, during my last year birthday, I sheet mask a lot, and my makeup turned out beautiful. Like I'll put the picture here. I sheet mask a lot. When my birthday shoot was approaching, I used a lot of sheet mask. The one I used then was the Desert sheet mask. Was the Desert sheet mask, and at the end of the day, the result was beautiful. Okay, so sheet mask today and thank me later. So that, and the result was good. My makeup stayed throughout my shoots because I shoot till around um 1 a.m. even 2 a.m. because we did midnight shoots. I'm going to put the picture on the screen. So sheet masking is very good for your skin. These are little details that goes a long way. And another thing you can do is this sheet mask is 25 ml. Everything is most times always 25 ml. You know what you can do is after using the sheet mask, the extra serum, you can squeeze it in a dropper bottle and use it as a face serum. Is that not good? Is that not splendid? That's a good way to have a facial serum on a budget. Okay, so if you want a, let's say, okay, this is a moisturizer mask. This is a blueberry moisturizer mask, and you want it as a serum that you can be applying every morning before going to work, before applying your serum, and you don't have time to be sheet masking. After using the sheet inside, there is a sheet mask like a paper like inside. After using it, then you can squeeze the serum in a dropper bottle. That your empty vitamin C bottle. This is the time to use it. I believe you have a bottle, dropper bottle lying around the house. I have tons of it. I'm always keeping it because of sheet mask, because I do the same I'm telling you about. So maybe your skin has been inflamed or it has been dry, you want something moisturizing for a week straight on a streak. You can just squeeze this in that dropper bottle. Then every morning during your routine, before applying your sunscreen and your moisturizer, you can use it. You can use it every morning. You will see big difference. I'm telling you, this is what I did um last year, and I saw massive results. I'm still even doing it now. I won't sheet mask in a while because I've been very busy and I have a lot of moisturizing sheet mask I am using at the moment. So I don't want to just jam pack everything. I want to space everything so that we have intervals to work. So these are ways you can use sheet mask. Sheet mask retails from 400 naira to 1000 naira depending on the one you are buying. So it retails from 400 naira per one to 1,000 naira, depending on the one you're buying on, depending on where you are buying it from. If you go to big markets, they are even selling it for three for 1,000 naira, four for 1,000 naira. So if you buy from a very big market, like you buy a lot, you buy in bulk. But if you want to buy and you want to save money, I would still say don't buy online. I've seen it online and it is crazy. It is crazy. I've seen six sheet for 5,000 naira. That's too much. Why? What? What's going on? What's happening? So that's too much. Just go to a cosmetic store, a supermarket. It is now viral now. Most cosmetic stores now have it. And it's not a must to get by Aqua. You can get any other brand as long as it is doing the job for you. As long as it is your skin issue. Remember, go for your skin issue. For skin lightening and acne spores, acne inflammation, go for the one with turmeric. This one contains turmeric. This is a turmeric facial mask. For tender skin, sensitive skin, use this one. For dry skin, use the blueberry moisturizing. For inflamed skin, use the green tea moisturizing mask. So just go the one for your skin type. So these are what your influencer are infusing in their skincare routine that is giving them that glowing skin that they are not telling you about. And they won't tell you. You have to know. You have to find out by yourself. So you're welcome. So that's what I decided to tell you in today's video. And please, if you have any video you want me to talk about, let me know in the comment section and I will do research about it and I will talk about it. So I have a lot of videos, a lot of fire video, like just like this one. Check my supplement video about the Daravite series, Daravite woman I've been doing lately. Check it out. Check my Terra Iron Lotion if you want to whiten your skin. You want 6 to 5 shades lighter before December. Check this one. Check this one. I have lots of video and I'll put them in the description link down below. And I will see you in the very next one. Till then, keep taking care of yourself. Look beautiful. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, okay? Because what this is what I do here: share beauty secrets, skincare secrets, and more. And I will see you in the very next one. Comment in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this video. And is there any recommendation you want me to recommend for you? Let me know in the comment section. If I can help, I will. Okay. Thank you so much for clicking on this video.